So what else did I learn from this experience? Well, the next big thing that I took out of this whole thing, for me anyway, was the mindset change. I think, again, speaking for myself, trading prop firms where it only costs you $30, $40, $80, to get into a challenge doesn't really leave a lot of room for I can't fail, right? Because it doesn't cost much to get back in, right? Trading your own capital, especially a decent amount, and $200 by any means is not a decent amount, but I still was able to get that change in mindset that whole $200 was mine and all of it was at risk. So the mindset that I had changed a little bit, and I think that's what kind of played into me lasting 30 days with just $200, because I was so careful, I was so picky to get into trades because I didn't want to lose that money, right? It also taught me to start looking at where the stop loss needs to be versus just where it's going to go based off of a dollar amount. So in other words, where does the stop loss need to be based off of support or resistance or, structure in the market versus, I'm going to enter here, so now my stop loss is going to go here because I only risk $50 at a time. That doesn't work. And so I found myself actually, doing the math and figuring out what each contract is worth per point or tick and whatever. And as I'm getting ready to possibly enter a position, I'm already figuring out where the stop loss has to be and how much I'm going to be risking in that trade. And if it was more than what I was willing to risk with the amount of capital that I had, I didn't take the trade. It was that simple.